Welcome to Excel World. Today we will discuss about CTC and breakups. Now have a look how we can do CTC breakup. If you know the annual gross salary, make divide it by 12. Make it as monthly gross salary. Basic you should calculate on monthly gross salary. It is about sometimes it is 40 or 50 or 60. It depends on company to company. The basic is 50% on monthly gross. HRA should be 40 or 50 on basic. Convenience, it's about 1600. Transport, 2000. Special allowance, monthly salary minus sum of basic, HRA, convenience and transport. Sum of basic, HRA, convenience, transport and special allowance is called monthly salary. See, this monthly salary, monthly gross is equal to this monthly gross, and PF is about 12% on basic. This is 12% and PT is 200, and the total deductions are PF and PT. These are around 2365, and the net means monthly gross minus deductions called net. Monthly gross minus deductions called net. This is net or take home of your salary, and employer PF is nothing but 12% on basic. This is 12% on basic, and gratuity is all about basic. Calculate on basic. The percentage is 4.81 percentage, 68868, and total monthly CTC is, you should add monthly gross plus employer PF plus gratuity. This is total monthly CTC. And here we should calculate annual CTC. And here basic into 12. That is 12 months. And the same this is monthly gross. This is called annual gross, and this is annual employer PF, annual gratuity, and this is annual CTC. The total annual CTC is this is. And monthly CTC it is. This is all about CTC breakups. Thank you for watching. Subscribe Excel World for more updates in Excel and Excel concepts.